Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the driver airbag on a BMW 5 Series E60. This one is a 2006 525 Xi. All you need for that is a screwdriver, and all you gotta do is insert the screwdriver in the hole in the lower back side of the steering wheel, so it goes up, and you can use a flathead screwdriver or you can use Torx. Phillips is not really good to do that, and you'll see why later. So you insert it facing up, and at the same time you need to press the airbag in so it unlatches on both sides, and it comes out really easy. And then disconnect the wire on the bottom of it, and whenever you press, insert the screwdriver and trying to press that metal lever, all you see, like these 4 points, they unlock, letting the airbag get out on these 4 points. And to put it back in, connect the wire and press it in. That's all you gotta do. Very easy.